Hi guys, Aspen here from Drone Nation. I'm out hiking today, testing my Insta360 1X2 with the 3-meter selfie stick and the ordinary stick. I was planning to fly, but it's too windy to fly, especially if you get a little bit higher. So I have to do that another day, but it was nice to get out and hike a little bit. I'm at the abandoned summer camp today, just exploring a little bit. So kamera. Se hvor fint det er. Ja, sånn skjeggetre. I think this is used as a summer camp. It's a really nice place. It's a Christian summer camp. It's abandoned now because of the pandemic, but it's a really nice place. I was planning to fly today because of the wind. I can't fly, so I'm filming a little bit with my 360 camera and my Sony FDR. It looks like this has been an old building, a few hundred years old. This is the foundation for I think for an old church actually, because all this area is Christian summer camp, and I think this has been some kind of foundation for a building. Let's see, check out down here. Always fun to go and explore. Let's just see up here. Look at all that moss, green. Very nice. There seems to be some kind of buildings here. Let's go down again. it's really nice to go and explore places like this. A bunch of old places like this in Norway. You can find stone buildings. That's nice.